We have just had our first EF5 tornado in more than 12 years occur across areas of North Dakota. This happened back on June 20th, 2025 in Ransom and Cass counties between 11:02 and 11:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time. EF5 rating with a greater than 210-mile-per-hour winds. It traveled 12.10 miles and had a maximum width of 1.05 miles, and unfortunately resulted in 3 fatalities. But the biggest news of this tornado is that this was the first EF5 tornado in the United States since the Moore, Oklahoma tornado of 2013.